Managing a rental property is never a hands-off job. And with high-traffic rentals, the demands multiply quickly. Whether it's student hostels, service apartments, co-living spaces, or multi-tenant homes and bustling IT hubs, the constant flow of occupants means faster wear and tear, more frequent issues, and higher maintenance expectations. High traffic isn't just about the number of people. It means heavier use of floors, plumbing, walls, appliances, and almost every fixture. For landlords in India, especially NRIs managing properties from afar, neglecting routine upkeep can lead to expensive repairs, negative reviews, and reduced returns. The secret lies in proactive, well-planned maintenance that safeguards your investment while keeping tenants satisfied. Let's explore practical, time-tested tips to keep your high-traffic rental property in top condition year-round. 1. Choose durable, low-upkeep materials from the start. One of the smartest long-term investments in a high-traffic rental is selecting materials built to last. Opt for flooring, countertops, and cabinetry that are scratch-resistant, moisture-proof, and easy to clean. Vitrified or ceramic tiles perform far better than wooden flooring or low-cost laminates in Indian conditions. For kitchens, PVC modular cabinets resist swelling and damage from humidity. These choices may cost more upfront, but dramatically cut down on repair frequency, keeping your property looking fresh for years. 2. Maintain a deep clean routine between occupancies. In properties with frequent tenant turnover, like PGs or holiday rentals, cleanliness is a make-or-break factor. Schedule a thorough deep clean between every check-in and check-out. Go beyond the basics. Decale taps, scrub bathroom fittings, sanitize mattresses, vacuum hidden corners, and clean fans and exhausts. Preventing grime buildup protects surfaces, eliminates odors, and creates a welcoming space that tenants appreciate. 3. Keep plumbing and water flow in check. Kitchens and bathrooms in busy rentals endure heavy daily use, which accelerates plumbing wear. Inspect taps, shower fittings, drainage lines, and flush systems regularly to prevent leaks or blockages. In areas with hard water, sediment can clog pipes and reduce water pressure. Installing inlet filters and scheduling annual water tank cleaning helps maintain consistent flow and prolongs the life of geysers and taps. 4. Upgrade and safeguard electrical installations. Electrical systems in high-use rentals face constant demand from multiple gadgets, lighting, and appliances. Ensure the wiring supports the load and replace low-grade switches and sockets with durable modular fittings. Installing MCBs, miniature circuit breakers, for individual rooms prevents overloads. Regularly test property-provided appliances like microwaves, geysers, and ceiling fans to ensure they're safe and functional. 5. Inspect and replace locks, handles, and hinges promptly. Doors, cupboards, and windows in high-occupancy spaces see frequent use, which means locks, hinges, and handles wear out faster. Malfunctioning locks can frustrate tenants and compromise security. Create a routine to inspect and replace worn hardware before it fails, covering everything from entrance doors to kitchen cabinets. 6. Opt for washable, stain-resistant wall finishes. Walls in high-traffic rentals are prone to scuffs, stains, and marks. Instead of standard paints that wear quickly, use washable emulsions or satin finishes that can be cleaned with a damp cloth. Though the initial cost is slightly higher, they extend the time between repaints and keep interiors looking fresh. 7. Invest in heavy-duty furniture for furnished rentals. If your rental is furnished, prioritize durability over cost-cutting. Lightweight or particle board furniture breaks down under frequent use. Choose metal bed frames, solid wood tables, and sofas with washable, replaceable covers. For storage, aluminum or PVC wardrobes are sturdier and last longer than MDF options. 8. Improve ventilation and manage odors. High occupancy can lead to stuffy interiors and lingering smells. Install exhaust fans in all kitchens and bathrooms, and use dehumidifiers in areas with poor sunlight. Regularly clean air vents and encourage tenants to keep windows open when possible. Adding mesh screens helps maintain ventilation while keeping out dust and insects. 9. Create an easy maintenance reporting system. Tenants may hesitate to report issues, assuming someone else will, which often delays repairs. Provide a quick, reliable reporting method, such as a WhatsApp contact, a maintenance email, or an online form. Respond promptly to encourage early reporting. preventing small issues from becoming costly problems. 10. Commit to preventive maintenance inspections. Reactive repairs are costly and disruptive. Instead, adopt a preventive approach by scheduling quarterly inspections covering plumbing, electrical systems, flooring, safety equipment, and furniture. In monsoon-prone areas, inspect terraces, walls, and drainage before it rains to prevent leaks and water damage. Bonus tip: value tenant feedback for better maintenance. Tenants are your on-the-ground observers. Encourage honest feedback through surveys during and after their stay. They may highlight issues like lighting, ventilation, or noise insulation that you might miss. Treat this feedback as a tool for continuous improvement, not criticism. If these tips help you manage your high-traffic rental more effectively, hit the like button and share this video with fellow landlords and property managers. Subscribe to our channel for more practical insights designed for Indian landlords and NRIs. Your rental property is not just a structure, it's a valuable business asset. Every maintenance decision you make today protects its value for tomorrow. Let us know your toughest property maintenance challenge in the comments, and we may feature it in a future video.